Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Equinox. For the month of July, Apple is offering over $4,400 in savings towards this specific vehicle. It is a front-wheel drive LT that comes with a 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. As you can see here, it does have our black Chevy decals and back tinted windows. Now when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. We have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seats, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.